Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. Today we are here to discuss about the rotation provisions related to the rotation of the auditors. Now we will understand each and every provision about the rotation of auditor, यानी किन किन कंपनीज पर जो रोटेशन ऑफ ऑडिटर है, चाहे वो ऑडिटर इंडिविजुअल हो चाहे वो ऑडिट फर्म हो, किन किन कंपनीज पर एप्लीकेबल है और इस प्रोविजंस को किस प्रकार से जो है कंप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इन दिस वीडियो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दीज प्रोविजंस इन वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैनर. राइट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द सेक्शन 39 subsection 2, individual auditor not be appointed or reappointed for more than one term for 5 consecutive years, or audit firm shall not be appointed or reappointed for more than 2 terms of 5 consecutive years in listed company or any company belonging to prescribed class or classes of companies. Now we will discuss prescribed class of companies which is mentioned hereunder. First is unlisted public companies. All unlisted public companies having paid up share capital 10 crore or more. Second type of company, private company. All private limited company having paid up share capital 20 crore or more. Third company is other companies. All companies having paid up share capital below threshold limit but public borrowing from financial institution, bank or public deposit of rupees 50 crore or more. These are the provisions which the auditor have to follow while appoint in any company, whether it's a unlisted, it's a private or it's a listed company. Provisions relating to rotation of auditor are not applicable to OPC and small company. Also, rotation of auditor does not apply to government companies. Provision to Rule 6 of Company Miscellaneous Rules 2014. Thereafter, the individual auditor firm spent the cooling period of 5 years from the date of completion of the tenure of his firm or as an individual. Network of firms, these include firms having common control, brand or trademark, so an auditor will be eligible for appointment if belongs to a same network firm. Common partners. If an audit firm having common partners or partners of other audit firm whose tenure is expired immediately preceding the financial year shall not be eligible for appointment of same company for period of 5 years. So this is the provisions which is related to the rotation of auditors. We have discussed about the provisions of rotation auditor, whether in which type of auditor have to follow the provisions of rotation of auditor. Now we will discuss manner and procedure for selection and appointment of auditor. Rule 6 of Companies Audit and Auditor Rules 2014 prescribe the following manner of rotation of auditor. The audit committee shall recommend to the board the name of individual auditor or audit firm may be replaced by incumbent auditor on expiry of term of such incumbent. Where company is required to constitute an audit committee, the board shall reconsider the audit recommendation of such committee, and board shall itself consider the matter of rotation of auditor and make it the recommendation for appointment of next auditor by members. Transition period we have already discussed, not on applicability of audit committee. Now we will discuss which company has to require to constitute the audit committee. First is company having all public companies with paid up share capital 10 crore or more, all public companies having turnover 100 crore or more, all public companies having aggregate outstanding loan, borrowing or debenture deposit exceeding 50 crore or more. The said company is required to constitute the audit committee, right, as per the provisions of Companies Act 2013. So this is the whole provision related to the rotation of auditor and constitution of audit committee. I hope this video is very helpful for you, and if you have any query related to the rotation of auditor or constitution of audit committee, you can also contact on the number given on the screen. And if you have any query related to the import export, GST, income tax, you can also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.